Hi, welcome to the first exercise in this course. Today I'm going to show you the first one for the hip or for the sacrum bone, which is one that's very important. It's also for the lower back as well. We do a lot of time we used to sit a lot or maybe standing too much, depending on what kind of job we're doing. Sometimes even training, if you do it in the gym or you do running or whatever, it takes a lot of pressure on your lower back and on your sacrum as well, your hips. So today we're going to show you the first one that will give you some release and work of the muscle, which one because it was twisted. So it gives you some problem with some muscle because they don't work right properly. Meanwhile, the other muscles working way too much. So when you see we have to balance it, that is like people coming to me and when I'm adjusting myself. But today I'm going to show you how you can take care of it more or less, so that it will give you some better feelings to improve it. So let's start. We go like that, going down your back. One leg you keep it close to yourself, and another one moves like that. So you got up here with breathing. Breathe in, and then breathe out like that. Excellent. Do again, and out. While you're doing it, you don't have to do it very fast. You just keep it like that, right? And out. You do it 10 times, one side. Continue to do that. Excellent. So, after you've done it, you let go your right leg, and then there's the right leg, left leg, sorry. So we keep it like that, and we go up like that. Perfect. So you might feel some from the pain here when you're doing it. That's okay, because that's where the muscles or nerves get pinched. So because the stiffness of the muscle, so it's okay. So it will go away. Breathe in and breathe out. So keep it straight and some kind of tense. The muscle of your leg, so have to be tense, right, perfect, and then up. Excellent. Do again. Very good. So you do each time 10 times. Rest a little bit. Move up. Relax. So like that. And then again. So you repeat it twice. Or 3 times if you have time. So I suggest recommend do it 3 times with 1 minute kind of let's say pause at one time, resting, and then do it again 10 times each side. So excellent. Yes, like that. Perfect. Do like that. And that's it. Yes. So you see the second time you do, it's less pain. It's not that problematic, feels like anymore. That's good. So it starts to work for you. Excellent. Yes. And again, you do 10 times. Yeah. So excellent. Yes. Just like that. Nothing more, nothing else. So it should be working for you properly good. So, and this is the first exercise I'll show you today, with a nice background behind me. So, if you don't have it, that's okay. So, still enjoy it, because it gives you that necessary feeling when you start to see that it kind of starts to help you, so you can to feel relief here. So, as I said, you do it twice in a day, morning and night or evening, one before or after work, before training. So when you have a pain, make sure that you don't do hard training. So you just take it easy, and when you feel better, you can go train, but do much less. So which we take it separately in another part of the course, where I say we'll discuss about how much you need effort you have to put when you start over with the training after you feel better in your back. So let's start with this exercise, as I say, 3 times, 1 minute resting and between, and do 3 times, 10 times each side, right and left. So that will be good enough for you. Thank you so much for being with me. I hope to see you next fall in this course. So enjoy. Bye bye.